What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today I'm showing you a product here called WLC from Paragon. It stands for Weapon Light Cleaner. And what this is used for, just as it sounds, it's a weapon light cleaner. So you can see I have my Springfield Prodigy here with a Surefire X300. And when I shoot this in this combination here, this guy gets super dirty. I already cleaned it. I'm filming this video a little backwards here, so you can see it's nice and clean now. But that will get dirty, and the way to get it clean is by using this. So with that, this is gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna show you how simple and easy it is to use this WLC from Paragon on our light here. So let's go ahead and get over to the mat, and I'll show you how we do it. All right, welcome over to the mat here. Let's go ahead and show you how this stuff works here. So I have my Surefire light here, and as you can see, it is nice and dirty, so it's ready for a cleaning. And then here we have the WLC from Paragon that we're gonna be putting on it. So the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take the cap off here, and then we're gonna grab our light, and we're just gonna try and get a couple drops on here. So I'm gonna just turn it upside down. You can see you got 3 drops on there. Put the lid back on our product. And then now with the product on the front here, we wanna go ahead and take a Q-tip, smear it around there, and then we're gonna give it some time to soak in. After about 30 seconds letting it set in here, I'm gonna take my Q-tip, and you can see when I smeared it around, it already took off a lot of the black. So I'm gonna take the other end here and just finish wiping it around, make sure it got all spread around. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab a clean cloth or a clean-ish cloth, and then now we're just gonna wipe it all off then. And with that, you are done. Look at that. Basically a brand new light at this point, completely clean. Super easy to do in about 30 seconds. Also, one other thing to note is sometimes, at least on mine, it gets a little gunked up here, and I actually use the same thing as far as putting the WLC on here, then taking a cloth and wiping it, and that did help significantly there. So you can use it on the outside as well as on the lens. So there you go, you're all set now. So again, the WLC from Paragon, 10 out of 10. This stuff does an awesome job cleaning the lights on any of your guns that get all gunked up. They also have a lens cleaner. I haven't picked that up yet, so I wanted to give this a try first. And again, this is a 10 out of 10. This is awesome. But hopefully I'll get the other one in, and we'll try that out on some optics as well. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. Got a bunch of other videos up now and a bunch more on the way. And if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.